Hello YouTubers, I have a special video today. Normally I do gaming videos or projector videos, but today is different. Today is going to be a video about the Powerless Smokeless Grill that I saw an infomercial on. You're not going to see me, okay? The camera's going to always be pointing at these hands. Oh, look at that beautiful wedding ring. And it's actually kind of tight on my finger. Anyways, Powerless Smokeless Grill, cooking with these from Kroger. I don't know if I can do this. Is that, can I show Kroger's label on a video? Okay, I'm just making sure. Okay, they were on sale. They're gonna go on this. Now I'm not gonna hold the camera anymore. My nephew is, so, and there's our dog and cat. They're gonna watch this. So Jake, I want you to show them that right now what we're gonna do so supposedly if you wash these off a little bit, okay, rinse them, a little rinsey poo, and then you dry them off, you get better grill marks. Is it a myth? I don't know. Could be, probably is. Probably should be doing with paper towels. Don't give a F. That's how I roll. There's not going to be any editing. This is totally raw, okay? Like these steaks. Raw steaks, raw editing. That's how I do it. We're going to pat these bad boys down, okay? Try to get all this moisture off. Oh yeah. Oh, these are already tender. I like it. You getting this? You gonna get me smacking the meat? Okay. All right, they've been smacked. Now, just keep it on the meat while I get a paper plate. All right, steaks will be transferred there. Why? Well, so we can season them, people. You gotta season a steak. We're gonna keep it simple today, all right? Nothing fancy schmancy. We're gonna let this Power Smokeless Grill do all the work, all right? And I am a neat freak slash OCD slash keep my hands clean. So I'm cleaning my hands. You wanna show them, just so they believe me? Clean hands? Okay, here we go. People, I've got a secret ingredient here, all right? You better show this. This salt will change your life. It'll change your grilling life. It'll change your sex life. It might change the afterlife. I don't know. But it is amazing. I wish there was smell-o-vision. There's fat chunks in here. Come here, get these chunks. It looks like sand. That ain't sand. That's flavor. Oh yeah, let me get this out of there. Can you smell it? Come here, smell that shit. Okay. It smells good. Something just went up my nostril. That burns. Woo! Okay, this. Shake it up. Shake it up like you're playing Yahtzee. Oh yeah, we're going for the Yahtzee, biatch. Look at that. What is happening? It's raining. Why? Because I said so. All right, a little bit of that. Just a smidge of onion powder. Matt, why would you put onion powder on your steaks? I don't know. Why is your mom? All right, so here we go. We're gonna smack them a little bit. Oh God, I love that sound. Okay. Oh, we're also gonna, that excess, yeah, it's gonna go on the sides. We're gonna make it rain again. Probably a little too much, don't care. Okay. Yep. God, I just love the way this feels on my hands. Can't see it really. All right, we're gonna make it rain a little bit. Now, I tried to bring these to room temperature. Nobody likes a cold steak on the inside. Jake, I need you to show them this Powerless Smokeless Grill that we are at. Or, okay, not that, Jake. We are at 450, okay? 450. We got the fan on. So far I don't see smoke, but nothing's cooking yet. Now beneath this, oh, that's warm, that feels good. Beneath this is a little water pan. I put in some beef broth, some Worcestershire sauce, and a little liquid smoke. Will that make any difference? No, probably not, but I don't give it up. Now Jake, this is important. Back that fucking camera up. But at the same time, guys, if you have something on in your house, like right now we're watching the Chiefs and Patriots play, okay? Turn it down, because this is the moment where you have to hear, is there a sizzle? Does this grill actually get that sizzle sound of a real grill? I don't fucking know. Let's find out. Ooh. Kind of. All right. Maybe a little bit. Okay. Back it up. We're going to show the other one here. Ooh. Okay. Nice. You don't have to edit this later, right? There's no other way. I can't put this whole video on. People are getting worried. Just right now, show them what's going on. Oh yeah. We're at 450. We've got steak. I'm not going to use a thermometer, okay? You know what my thermometer is? This, right here, this finger. The same finger that goes up my wife's nose, because I pick her nose. That's what's going to tell. We're going to test it by touching it, okay? You think it's done yet? Probably not. Okay. Jake says no. Jake, I want you to bring this effing camera and show that you can, no, get over here and show like right down at the bottom. You can already see it browning up. Get up under there. There you go. Get under there like you're digging for gold. Just don't drop my phone on there. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna wash my hands because I'm weird about this. I'm sure you guys don't need to see that. Now, will this perform? Okay, you're recording the animals. I just smell like, I smell salt cooking. I love it. Will this perform as the infomercial says? By the way, guys, seriously, this, get it, okay? F regular salt. Will this perform like the infomercial says? I don't know. Is the guy lying? Am I going to take it back? Am I going to keep it? Am I going to break it? Well, the test is happening right now. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to cover it for a minute. No, I'm not. I changed my mind. After I sear both sides, then we're going to cover it. All right, now here's what we're going to do. I think we've cooked it enough. Not on one side, but on... Here, show this. Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to turn it a little bit. See if we can get those nice grill marks. Okay. I'm going to wash my hands again because I touched the steak. I'm weird. That's how I roll. Now, I don't expect this to replace my outdoor grill, or hell, I don't even expect it to replace this, which is my cast iron, all right? But I want to know if this whole indoor grill is a myth. You know, can this perform? Can it make it at least look like it was cooked on a grill? I don't know yet. I don't know how I feel about this. We're going to find out in about 1 more minute and 30 seconds when we flip this sumbitch. In the meantime, hey, could we show the game, or is that the copyright infringement? It would? Damn it. Okay, can we show this axe? This is one of my cooking utensils. Huh? Copyright strike. Damn. Here, I don't know why this is in here, but it's my stepson's. Our animals. Dude, I smell beef cooking. Do you smell that? Actually, do I smell it burning? I think we might flip this. Think it's ready to flip? Oh, I don't want to flip it too soon. 5 seconds? Okay. All right, guys. Are you ready? Are you effing ready to see this? Oh, look at the grill marks. Hello. Okay. All right. I'm still not completely sold yet. All right. So far, I would say maybe if you just walk by real quick, you could think it passes as being cooked on a grill. I don't know. What do you guys think? Look at this. Does that look grillish? I want to know what you guys think in the comment section below. I don't have anybody that's going to watch it, but just in case you happen to search on YouTube for Powerless Smokeless Grill, and if this shit actually works like it's supposed to, you're going to find 2 fillets on sale being cooked. I'm going to have to put butter on this, dude. This is ridiculous. It's looking dry. Unfortunately, I don't have any kind of butter. We're gonna whip up something real quick. All right, here we go. While that's cooking, move back a little bit. I don't have any room temperature butter, but this should still work. Okay, we're gonna take, I don't know how much that was, maybe 2 tablespoons. Sure. As you can tell, this is a family recipe. All right, we're gonna take that, and I'm gonna bring some herbs over. We're gonna do a little bit of garlic powder in it. Show me putting garlic powder on it so they believe it. Garlic powder. A little bit of that. I'm gonna throw a little bit of this steak blend on it. Why not? Just a little bit on this butter. Okay. And lastly, we're gonna do, how would we not do red peppers? Red pepper flakes. Yes. Hello. Yes. Some herbs. Is it cooking? Cooking? Okay. There we go. What are we gonna do with this? I don't know. Maybe take a fork. Start mixing it and hope that somehow this enhances the steak. Could make it worse. I could have just completely ruined it. I don't know. All right. I don't know what this concoction is, but I don't effing care. Because at the moment, I'm happy. I'm happy that this grill is somewhat performing the way it should. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna do a little 45-degree turn. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take that, set it right on top of this little beast. Oh yeah, come on, come to daddy. And we're gonna put the lid on. We're gonna hope that that melts into some creamy goodness on top of our steak. Oops. I'm gonna wash my hands for the, what, 4th, 5th time? If I'm weird like that? I didn't even touch raw steak. Wow. I have problems, people. So let's not focus on my issues. Let's focus on the smokeless power grill. Wait, what? Power smokeless grill, whatever. Okay. Something tells me that butter is not going to work out the way I hoped. But we'll just roll with it, okay? We're going to roll with it. I don't know what to say. Show them what's in the pantry. Just go up
Let's
in
go
there.
see what the game score is.
You can't show that? Okay.
Do it for a second. Oh, commercial. Great.
Okay, okay, come here. It's melting a little bit. See? Smells weird. Okay. Yeah. I can tell everybody right now, smell-wise, it does not smell like I am grilling a steak, okay? It doesn't. It just doesn't. This will never replace a grill. This is probably for people who live in an apartment complex or a condo and they can't have any grills outdoors. They have no... Here we go, hold on. I think what I'm gonna do is turn it now. You should never flip a steak more than once. Yeah, F off. I know this. And I'm gonna screw up the grill marks. I know, people. Stop yelling at me in the comment section. It hurts my feelings. I never said that I was a chef. I said that I was testing out whether or not this Power Smokeless Grill is bullshit or not, okay? And right now, I'm about right in the middle. 50% that it kind of does what it's supposed to and that it kind of doesn't. Because I see smoke, so it's not smokeless. So that's already, well, okay, it could be smokier. I did flip it again. Thank you for reminding me, a-hole. Okay, there we go. Jake, how do you like your steak? Okay, cool. If you said medium or medium well, I would have killed you.
Oh, I said medium. I would do it. What? I would usually say medium.
Okay. Well, that's... I've heard worse things come out of your mouth.
Do you want to cook more than that?
No, I want you to die if you say that again. Don't ever say, should I cook a steak more than medium? I'm washing my hands again. I have an issue. If you think I have an issue, put it in the comment section. But I wash my hands a lot.
Yeah, we're going to leave you while you yell.
Okay.
You can force him places. He needs to get the ball out of his hands quickly and throw quick routes.
17-7 Patriots.
17-7?
Yep.
Oh god, I'm gonna kill myself. See, I screwed up the grill marks. Oh well. Alright, last thing of butter, we're out. Okay, done. I'm not gonna wash my hands, but I did wash them while you guys were away again, so sorry. Alright, putting this amazing salt back where it belongs. Done. We're still using that. I need more paper towels. I'm very wasteful, by the way. I use paper towels. You don't like it? F off. If you think I should not use paper towels, put it in the comment section and I will delete you. Alright. It is smoky in here. Jake, come over here and record in there and show the smoke. Powerless, non-smoke, smoke my ass. There's smoke in here.
What?
Look at this. You can't really see it though. You can see it
right
from your real eyes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Alright, go in first. Alright, I'm putting some paper towels up. Once again,
Let's open the door for a minute.
I don't effing care. Just what I do. Do you think we should... I think I'm going to turn the temperature down just a smidge. Just a smidge. Oh, let's show them how it works. See this temperature? People, if you're wondering how this thing works, there's a plus and a minus. Obviously, we're already all the way up. 450 is the highest setting. We're gonna go down to 350. We're gonna let this thing just cook. Okay? We're gonna let it cook. Cookie, cookie, cookie. So far, the hype. Why are you shining on my wine glasses? And then I still have a stash of Halloween candy. They don't need to know this. And they, hey, over here. Keep it in the kitchen. Why don't you show them what we usually eat for lunch? Show them. Open up. Okay, that's our cat. Ah, Chef Boyardee in the house. Yep. What, you think I got time to cook fillets every meal, son? You think I got money like that? No, not happening.
My ass.
Bitch, please. Oh, man. Here's my problem.
Nutter butter cereal.
Yeah,
Pretty good.
I'm sure that's it. What, you can't say that name, can you?
They're not that strict.
Okay. My problem with this Power Smokeless Grill, it goes beyond, does it perform the way it's advertised, and does it cost too much, and all this other shit. My problem right now is it doesn't smell like I'm cooking a steak. All right? I don't like that. Because that's one of the fun parts about cooking a steak is you smell it. I don't smell it. Let's see where we're at. Yeah, we're still not quite there yet. We're getting there though.
Take a lot of space.
Dude. Oh well, F it. Okay, Jake. Just go like that, and then taste your finger. It's got some flavor, right? Yeah, yeah. F you guys. Whoever was talking smack about my butter, F you, because it tastes good. That's right. F off. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to show them. Show them the fridge? They're gonna think we're alcoholics. Actually, you can't even see the alcohol. Okay. Okay, big deal. There's water.
Pregnancy cookies.
Pregnancy cookies. Actually, it's more for lactating, but whatever. We're not gonna get into that. Ooh. Fine.
A lot of leftovers.
Yeah. Oh, I could show them this. That's what I think about you people that are going to talk smack about me using paper towels. Put that in the comment section. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Pretzels.
What else is up there?
Some
Ooh.
leftovers.
How old are those?
Oh God, I don't know.
Oh, no. They're not expired. Look. Show them the expiration date so they know I'm not lying. March of 2019. We're good. I want to flip this steak one more time so bad. But I shouldn't do it. I'm going to do it. Ooh, schnikey. Okay. Dude. Do the touch and lick again. Come on. Anywhere. Touch, lick. Yeah. Now, okay, I'm not actually washing them. I'm just rinsing them off. I don't know, dude. I think they may need to come off. And then rest for a couple minutes.
15 more seconds.
15 more seconds. Great.
At 24, 30.
Let's see how...
I'll say.
Hold on. I gotta do show them the test. Okay, this is... That's well, medium rare, and then rare. I think that's how you go. If you don't believe me, look it up after we do the video. I'm not effing lying. It looks like I'm doing something perverted, but I'm not. Okay, hold on. Let me test. Ooh. That's still maybe a little. It's a thing. Chefs do it. Don't flip me off, bitch. It's legit. Okay, so I've said a few cuss words. Will this be considered?
You won't get any ads.
Really?
Yeah.
They don't give ads to people that cuss?
No.
That's why Angry Grandpa never got any?
They're really strict now. No.
I can't go back and edit them out?
You could, but that would take them, or you could bleep them out. I mean,
Okay, cool.
But I don't fucking know.
Thanks a lot. Great.
Oh shit! Sorry.
Stop!
You're not gonna get in the ads anyways. You're not big enough.
That's what she said. What? I mean,
Sense.
that's not what she said, baby.
That'd be not ice too.
For saying that's what she said? Bull crap.
I wouldn't be surprised. This is a pretty boring 25-minute video.
Hey, screw you. People want to know if this works, alright? Get him, Denny. Look at both of these animals thinking they gonna get some filet. No. Now, if we were cooking sirloin, maybe. Not filet.
Dog's vegan anyways.
That's true. Yes, dogs can be vegan. It's a thing. Okay. It's coming off. Cause, dude, I don't like the way this smells.
Well, probably because all the fucking butter you put on it.
No,
all that
ma'am.
random crap.
No, that's not what just happened.
Yes.
Ow. 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 Son of a bitch. No. I've already committed to doing this. Okay, there we go. Alright, power off. Fan off. Okay, let's show them the mess. So, that's not too bad.
Some of it was the butter.
Yeah.
It was swirled off.
Dude, I think I overcooked that steak. If I overcook this steak, I'm gonna be so
Alright,
mad.
well, let's get you cutting into it on video.
You have to let it rest.
Yeah, well, they have to wait a little longer.
But yeah, they are. They're gonna have to be bored. Show them something else.
Let's go outside.
Okay. Where the monsters are? Dude. I could show them some fire. Dude, we could throw a balloon in the fire and pop it.
Should I put it on you, sorry.
Thanks. Okay, here we go.
We're gonna do a science experiment.
Yeah, I don't really
This
know
may
if
kill us.
I'm sure it won't.
I don't know about that. I don't know.
It's a balloon. Calm down.
Yeah, but the helium, I don't know if that.
There's
is
not
flammable.
helium in that asshole.
Oh yeah, it's not. Alright.
Hold on, dude. Don't just throw it in there.
I'm not. I said alright just to say.
Okay.
What?
Now hold on. Let me back up. What if it blows up?
That's what I'm saying.
You do it.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die.
Do it.
3,
2.
2, 1. Oh.
It's a balloon. It's not a bomb. Oh my.
Oh no.
Great.
And nothing.
Thunder, if you're up there eating that steak, okay, he's not.
I don't want it to like catch on fire or something.
Jake,
It's plastic.
that's plastic?
Yeah, I thought it was.
Okay, well you thought wrong, some bitch. There ain't no way that's
To
plastic.
edit that out too.
Okay, great. How about I edit you out? What?
Not in the video.
Okay. Oh! We're gonna die!
Oh god!
Oh, that was awesome! It worked! Okay. That was cool. See? They got something to watch.
No,
I mean, I'm sure when they clicked on Power Smokeless Grill,
let's get the dog
cooking
now.
fillets, they didn't think they were going to see a balloon getting popped by a... whatever
What?
it is. Okay. Jake, come on outside. Show
You want the
everybody
fire?
how cute you are. Should I show them how I roast a weenie dog on the...
No.
Okay.
That'll get you demonetized.
Yeah, probably. And probably divorced. Because that's my wife's cat. Dog. What?
What?
Actually, it's both of hers. You guys are not getting filet, so I want you to calm down now. Go to the kennel. Ah, dude, we gotta show them. Show them the juice.
Oh my god.
Look at the juice. It just squirted out.
I put it.
That's...
You can't
Okay.
taste it because we're on camera.
Okay. I'm gonna cut. Here's what I'm gonna do. Because I think I effed it up. I'm gonna cut. This is important. I need you to focus. Okay? We're gonna cut into this. This will be mine. Okay? Oh, it's overcooked. It's overcooked, but I've seen worse. I've cooked worse. Okay, guys.
Well, let me check the other one.
All right, hold up. Before we sit down and watch the rest of the game and enjoy our night, I am going to try a bite for everybody and let them know if it's legit. You can show my face if you need to. Jesus. All right, I'm gonna cut a piece. I got something on my nose.
It's just like a piece of...
Okay, hold on. Let me show them. Okay, guys, look at that. That's more. Is it off?
Yeah, you got it.
Okay, that's more medium
Yeah.
than medium rare, which that's fine. I'm gonna dip it in the juice. Okay, here we go. Bon appetit. Bon appetit. Show me chewing. It's good. It's damn good. It's damn good for two reasons. The seasoning and the cut. I don't know how much of that was the grill's doing, but I will say this. The grill absolutely did what it was supposed to. It cooked this steak to a nice medium. It was juicy. It tastes great. It's tender, and it looks like it was grilled. It really does. So on that note, show it up here. Right up here at my face. Peace out with meat juice hands. Thank you for not watching, everybody that's not watching. Please subscribe to my channel that I don't even know if it exists and will continue. Like my videos and turn on notifications for my next video that I might do, which I probably won't. Peace.